Yes, hello. May kami shoutout po sa inyo lahat. This is JR Flores Channel all the way from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Ang hari ng mga tirador. Ayan. And at this time guys, I would like to give you one special song. Ayan. One special song para po sa ating special friend. Our lovely and special friend in Whitey, none other than Madam Shirley Tasty Creations. Ayan. In behalf of your Saudi OFW friend, Early Mix Vlog, Tigang, Arlene TV Vlog, and of course kay Kuya Francis Cruz, and of course your truly JR Flores Tigang. Ako po ay may inihandang isang birthday song para po sa inyo at sana po ay magustuhan nyo. Ayan. Happy birthday to you and Madam, more blessings. Ayan. And more powers to come. Ano ba yun? Tama ba yun? More blessing to come yata yun. Basta ganun. Ayan. Wishing you always good health. Ayan. And of course, thank you for such a very good friend of us. Ayan. In behalf of our Saudi OFW GC. So, once again, enjoy your day. Ayan. Magpakasaya ka. Mag-date kayo ni Kuya Francis. Ayan. Ito, para sa ito. Inenta ko parang para sa iyong kaarawan ngayong araw na ito. Okay? So, parang ang gulo na ng sinabi ko, hindi ko na yata naintindihan. Ayan, so in behalf of Saudi OFW GC, ayan. Ito po ang isang awitin para po sa inyo. Sana magustuhan mo. Here we go. pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Once again, happy birthday to you, Madam Shirley Tasty Creations, and more power to you. Thank you so much.